Hey everybody, I'm Katie from Anchored Films, and I just wanted to show you how to make your own biolink. Now, I feel like I've heard a lot about how you should use Canva templates or how you should create your own page on your own website and have native links there. Well, I'm going to show you how to actually combine both so that you don't have to do as much work creating a whole new page from scratch on your own site, but you can use Canva templates without using their third-party website. Let's get started. Okay, so what you're going to do first is pull up whatever platform that you use to have your Linktree. We use Campsite, and so that's what ours looks like. So go ahead and pull that up, and then you're going to go to Canva and type in biolink, and you're going to see a bunch of options. I actually use this one, and I went ahead and clicked in, and it's super simple. All you have to do is go to styles, and if you have brand kit, go ahead and add your fonts, add your colors. You can shuffle around until you get something that you like. Here's what our end product looks like. Super cute, love it, it's so fun. But here's the thing, you actually don't have to take the time to input all the links into the Canva boxes like it offers you, because you're gonna do that into your own site. You're gonna download it, but before you do, make sure you change the name so it's not like Canva's title, it's your own title. So you're gonna download it as a PNG, the size is totally fine, and then you're gonna hit download. Okay, now let's go back to your site, and you're gonna go to site, and then you're gonna create a new page, add blank page. So now you're gonna do show mobile only. And I'm gonna zoom out so I can see what I'm looking at. And then I'm gonna hit page. So I'm only editing this page. I'm gonna make it the full size of the phone screen. And this is what I have. Okay, so now you're gonna go to your media library and you're gonna upload what you just downloaded. So drop files here. Once it's uploaded, you're going to click and add it to your page. And all you have to do is resize. But wait, make sure that you press and hold shift as you resize so it locks in those dimensions and it doesn't move the image, like horizontally or vertically in a way that you don't want. Just press and hold shift and then you pull the dimension down. So here's the reason why you didn't add any links to Canva. What you're gonna do is add a rectangle. This is so simple. You're just gonna add a rectangle. You're gonna resize it so it fits all your buttons. And you only have to do this one time, and I'll show you why. So resize it to fit all your buttons, shape style, 0 transparency, and then you can do 0 border. I don't know why I left it at 1, maybe for funsies, I'm not sure, because it's transparent anyways. So transparency 0, border 0, and then you just line it up to wherever your box is. But as long as it covers the whole button, you're fine. So now you're gonna click that icon, go to your click actions, and here's where your links come in. Now specifically for your native links, like the links that go back to your page, like a contact page that's on your website, or like wedding films, or whatever your portfolio is, you want to have your link not be a URL, but be a page or canvas. So for this instance, this one's for my contact page, so I literally hit page, contact, and there you go. Okay, so now let's say it's a link that you don't have on your own page. Like it's not a native link like your contact page or your portfolio. Let's say, for instance, it's like reviews like we have. So our kind words are linked to the Knot where we collect some reviews, and I'll show you how to link that. Okay, and here's kind of the tricky part. You are gonna hit URL, but when you go back to wherever you have your links organized, you're gonna copy it, but you need to make sure that you keep that https:// in there, or else it won't work. So sometimes, if you just copy right from the web browser, it'll be fine, but just double check to make sure, because your link won't work if it's not there. Another tip to remember is that if it's a link that is not native to your site, one thing that you have to remember to click is open in a new window, or your link is not going to work. So kind words, now it's open to a new window and you're all set. Okay, so there you have it. And then you can do the same thing with your links. So if you want to put in a rectangle, resize it to fit, you know, whatever. You can even just cover the whole thing. Shape style, make it transparent, but it's still there. All you have to do is click actions and go back to your links. Here was ours. To our Facebook, we copy, bring it back here, link URL. You're just gonna input it, but make sure you have that HTTPS in the beginning or else it won't work. Okay, so now you've got your cute little brand, cute little biolink, all branded, all linked perfectly back to your website, and you're so proud of it. Now let's figure out how to link it back and put it on all your social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok or wherever you're putting your Linktree that you're using right now. So you're gonna go back into Showit, and when you click on your page, if you look to the right, you'll see page info. So my suggestion would be to name your page something that is more attractive than new page. Rename it whatever you want. You're gonna hit save and make sure that you publish it. Okay, so once it's published, all you have to do is type in your URL for your site. It's like anchoredfilms.com/biolink. You're gonna take your link that you've just created. You're just gonna copy and paste it. Go to your Instagram account or wherever you're putting your Linktree and paste it right where it says website and hit save. And you're done. So one thing to keep in mind is that you have just created a page that is mobile friendly, meaning people who are scrolling on their phones, this will look great for them. We've kind of left out the people who might be on their laptops or computers or anything that's a desktop version. So one thing that I would suggest is to go back to your page, make sure that it's mobile friendly only. So if you're using Showit, my biolink, you see this little icon up top. It's for a phone. It's only for a phone. So if you click the three little dots, I have unclicked visible on desktop because I don't want people who are viewing on a desktop to be able to see it, only for mobile. And so everything here is blacked out that looks like a little computer. So let's say, for instance, someone's scrolling on Instagram on their laptop for some reason and they find your website link. If they click it, it's gonna look really weird. So make sure that to make it desktop friendly or to make a desktop friendly version, you're actually gonna copy this, duplicate, and you see it, I've already done it here, but it'll be biolink 2, I'm sure. So duplicate, and now we're gonna click the copy that we've just made, and we're actually going to have it visible on desktop and take off visible on mobile. Okay, so now if we go to desktop only mode, this is what we're gonna see. Granted, I have already edited to make it look nice and appealing for a desktop version. When you do this, some of those borders that we created earlier might be like black now for some reason. I don't know why. All you have to do is go in, click wherever the border is, and just make sure that your color and your border size are both at 0, and make sure that it's transparent. And then just rework it however you want it to fit a desktop version. And again, make sure you always preview it to make sure it looks nice and clean and that your links always work before you publish. Once you've done that, you are good to go. You can hit publish and your biolink now works for a mobile-friendly version and a desktop version. You have saved time using Canva, but now you have all your native links and the traffic is redirected back to your site. I hope you found it helpful, and if you want, go ahead and subscribe. I'll make some more of these if you guys need.